Number 1. 1985 Dodge D350, price $5,500. It's powered by a 360 V8 gasoline engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission and features a Dana 60 rear axle. The truck is a single cab, long box model finished in green exterior paint with a tan interior. It was previously used as a groundskeeper's vehicle for a school in Missouri, which explains its low mileage and solid condition. The truck runs and drives well, with good brakes and newer tires, making it ready for both work and weekend cruising. Recently, it received a fresh undercoating on the underside, along with a full tune-up and new fluids in all major components. Mechanically, it benefits from a new alternator, a new ignition control module, and a fresh timing set with a new front main seal, completed just 2 months ago. The cooling system has been converted to an electric fan setup, although the original fan and shroud are included with the sale. Despite its age, the truck is remarkably clean and solid, with only minor rust present, minimal for a vehicle of this era. While it does run and drive reliably, it could benefit from some carburetor tuning to optimize performance. Number 2. 1997 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,500. It has 173,000 miles on the odometer and comes equipped with a strong 5.7L V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. The truck features a clean white exterior complemented by a blue interior, both of which are in good condition for its age. Inside, it offers cold air conditioning and hot heat, making it comfortable to drive in any weather. It sits on impressive 24-inch blades wheels wrapped in Vogue tires that look nearly new, giving it a stylish and bold presence on the road. Overall, it's a pretty clean truck inside and out and comes with a clean title, making it a dependable choice for anyone looking for a classic American pickup with personality. Number 3. 1986 Chevrolet 1500, price $4,000. With approximately 90,000 miles on the odometer. Finished in blue both inside and out, it features a 350 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. The engine is equipped with a mild cam, giving it a bit of extra character and performance on the road. While the truck runs great overall, it does come with a few needs. The AC system has been removed, and there is visible rust above the driver's side rear wheel well. It also requires new rocker panels and cab corners to address typical aging issues. A lift kit has been installed, giving the truck an aggressive stance. However, the suspension is notably stiff, resulting in a bouncy ride especially noticeable at highway speeds. Number 4. 1970 Ford F250, price $8,500. This pickup is a remarkably well-preserved classic truck that has only 55,000 miles on it. It features a strong V8 engine paired with a smooth 4-speed manual transmission. The exterior is finished in a vibrant red, complemented by a clean black interior that remains in excellent condition. The paint is in great shape, adding to the truck's overall appeal. Recently, it completed a drive of over 100 miles from the Goodyear's event in Des Moines back home without any issues, proving its reliability on the road. This F250 stands out not just for its looks, but also for its solid performance and clean presentation. Number 5. 1991 Chevy Cheyenne, price $8,000, well-preserved 4x4 pickup with 130,000 miles on the body and a strong 4.3L Vortec engine that was replaced in 2015, now with only 50,000 miles on it. Paired with a 5-speed manual transmission, it's not only fuel efficient but also a blast to drive. A new clutch and shocks have recently been installed, and the truck has absolutely no rust thanks to the fact that it has never been driven during the winter months. While it doesn't have air conditioning, it makes up for it with a smooth ride and solid performance. With its clean condition and fun driving experience, this truck has the potential to be a showpiece or a reliable weekend cruiser. It runs great and rides comfortably, reflecting the care it's received over the years. Number 6. 1986 Ford F250, price $4,000, well-maintained truck that has traveled just 93,000 miles. It features a powerful 302 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. The truck is rear-wheel drive and sports a striking orange exterior with a red interior, giving it a bold, classic look. Mechanically, the truck is in excellent running condition. It starts, drives, and stops as it should. There is no frame rot, and it sits on a solid set of BF Goodrich tires with approximately 80% tread remaining. A long list of recent maintenance and new parts has been completed to ensure reliability. These include a new steering box, fresh oil change, fuel filter, O2 sensor, plug wires, starter, map sensor, fuel injectors, spark plugs, dual fuel pumps and filter, and a new fuel pressure regulator. Overall, this F250 is a solid example of a classic American truck ready to hit the road or serve as a dependable weekend cruiser or workhorse. Number 7. 1982 Ford F150, price $3,985, well-preserved classic with just 80,000 original miles on the odometer. Featuring a 351 Windsor V8 engine paired with a smooth 3-speed automatic transmission, it starts every time and runs and drives without issue. The truck sports a brown exterior and matching brown interior, both of which are in great shape considering its age. It runs on gasoline and shows almost no rust, a rare find for a vehicle from this era. Originally purchased while the owner was living in Utah, it has not yet been registered in Virginia, but it did pass a personal inspection last year. Overall, this F-150 is clean, dependable, and an excellent representation of early 80s Ford trucks. Number 8. 1979 Ford F250, price $10,000. This is a solid classic truck project with great potential. It comes equipped with an automatic transmission and is powered by a strong 351M V8 gasoline engine. Finished in a bold red exterior with a matching red interior, it has a timeless look that stands out. Although the truck is mostly complete, it remains a project and will need some odds and ends addressed before it's truly road-ready. That said, it currently runs, drives, and stops as it is, making it a great starting point for restoration or customization. With its rugged four-wheel drive system and vintage styling, this F250 offers a rare opportunity for any classic truck enthusiast to own and revive a piece of Ford's durable pickup legacy. Number 9. 1984 Chevrolet C10, price $6,500, featuring a rear-wheel drive configuration and a V6 gasoline engine. The truck retains its original powertrain and has been well maintained, including a fresh oil change completed just 2 months ago. It comes equipped with an automatic transmission, newer tires for improved traction and ride quality, and a brand new rear bumper with an integrated hitch, perfect for light towing or hauling. The exterior is finished in green, paired with a beige interior that maintains its classic appeal. Inside, the heat functions properly, making it comfortable during colder months. Although the vehicle is equipped with air conditioning, the system currently does not blow cold air. A newer battery has also been installed, ensuring reliable starts. Number 10. 1987 Ford F150, price $3,900, featuring a red exterior and interior, a manual transmission, and a reliable straight-six gasoline engine. It comes with an 8-foot bed and a custom wood tailgate, making it both practical and unique. The truck runs well and has received a recent tune-up. It has a new battery, less than a year old, newer brake lines and gas tank, and tires in excellent condition. The body is straight with little to no rust, offering a solid foundation. Cosmetically, the paint shows fading and some missing spots, and a repaint would truly bring it back to life. The windshield has a crack, the interior is decent but could use a cleaning, and the fuel gauge and odometer are unreliable. It also lacks AC, which has never been tested.